Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you've ever struggled to get your thoughts and ideas down on paper and put into action, then you're going to want to check out this Neuro Thought Pad by Wilkii & Co.
As someone with ADHD, I am always looking for the tools that work with my brain and are going to help me be the most productive. And this thought pad is so cool. I love the way that it's set up. It is the perfect thing for brain dumping and planning out all your goals that you have. It has this great spot for the major actions, so you get to write down the biggest thing that you want to do. And then I love how it's broken down into what I hope to do, what I want to do, what I need to do, and what I already have. This is so cool because it helps you to really focus on the things that matter, but still giving you the space to have creativeness and to really just think through everything that you need to do to get a task done. While it's broken down all into bite-sized goals, it really helps to have that executive function that a lot of us are lacking. I think this is such an amazing tool for anyone who has a bit of a neurodivergent brain, made by an amazing company who has a great community that is there to support you.
If you're ready to take control of your thoughts and get things done, you need to get this Neuro Thought Pad. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.